Our country has diverse culture and ethnicities. So we have so many varieties of martial arts that have developed since the ancient times. Kalaripayattu. Kalaripayattu, the oldest martial arts in India, seen most part of southern India, originated in the state of Kerala around 3rd century BC. Kalaripayattu, most important key is footwork. It also includes kicks, strikes, and weapon based practice. Even women practice this art. Still, we can see that Kalaripayattu martial art rooted in the traditional rituals and ceremonies. Kalaripayattu includes a number of techniques and aspects. Some of them are Uyachil or the massage with Kinchali oil, fighting with Ota, a S-shaped stick, Maypite or body exercises, Puliyangam or sword fight, Verumkai or bare-handed fight, Agattari, we call as Agattari, or use of metal weapons and sticks of Koltari. Next martial art, we can say next martial art now, Silampam. It's a kind of stuff fencing. Is a modern and scientific martial art of Tamil Nadu. Pandyas, Cholas, and Cheras promoted it during their regime. Next martial art, Thangda and Setrit Sarak, created by the Meitei people of Manipur. Thangda is an armed martial art. Their history can be traced back to the 17th century, used by Manipur king to fight with British. The next martial art is Chimbi Kadka. It is also from Manipur, involves fighting using a sword and shield. Thangda and Setrik Sarak, earlier we said that, is used by Manipur kings to fight with British. Chimbi Kadka, it is also from Manipur, involves fighting using sword and shield. Next, Parikhanda, created by Rajputs, is a form of martial art from Bihar. Fighting involves sword, we use sword and shield. Steps of these techniques are widely used in Chow dance. Next martial art, Thoda, originated from Himachal Pradesh. It is a mixture of sports, culture, and martial art. Next martial art we can discuss, Kadka. It is a weapon-based martial art performed by the Sikh of Punjab. Next martial art, Bardani Kale, traditional Maharashtrian armed martial art. It's a part of Maharashtra. We can widely seen in this martial art in Maharashtra. Also, this is practiced widely in the district of Koleharpur. Famous practitioner is including Shivaji. Lathi, world's oldest weapon, can be seen in ancient armed martial art, generally 6 to 8 feet in length and sometimes metal tipped, majorly practiced in Punjab and Bengal. Still, it is one of the popular sport in villages. In our country, Indian police use Lathi to control crowds. Next martial art, Inbuvel wrestling. Imbuven wrestling, origin martial art of Mizoram, believed to have its genesis in 1750 AD. Strict rules can be seen in this martial art, rules that prohibit stepping out of the circle, kicking and knee bending. Kutuvarasi, this martial art have a Dravidian touch that first mentioned in Sangam literature, 1st or 2nd century BC. Fight with empty hand combat. It is considered as the unarmed component of Silambam, mainly practiced in Tamil Nadu. Next martial art, Mushti Yuddha. Mushti Yuddha, origin in one of the oldest city, Varanasi, resembling boxing.